Traveling with a baby doesn't need to be stressful. The airport can be the trickiest part of travel, and in this video, I'll share 15 must-know airport strategies from security hacks to boarding tips so you can navigate with ease. Welcome to part 2, which is pre-flight routines for airport and security. In part 1, we discussed how to plan and book for your trip, and in part 2, we are starting this trip and going to the airport. What you will learn is how to get through security stress-free. Yes, the TSA rules for baby gear, or whatever the security guys are called at your local airport. You're also going to learn the ultimate diaper bag checklist and how to use family-friendly airport perks. Yes, those exist, and I want to share that with you. And also, how to keep your baby calm before takeoff. And if you're traveling soon, watch part 3 of this video for the in-flight tips for a smooth ride. I'm Faraaz, and I've been traveling the world with my daughter. In the first 3 years, we did 32 countries, 75 flights, 5 epic road trips, 6 boat cruise escapades, and so much more, and we just missed 1 flight. And I'm here to share the tips that made my life easier while traveling with a baby toddler. And I'd love to share this with you. So let's get started. Firstly, don't go to the airport on Indian time. Okay? You want to arrive extra early. The airports with a baby means extra time for security, diaper changes, and unexpected delays. Aim for at least 2.5 to 3 hours before your flight. I like to get there when the airport check-in desk open and I'm the first one there, smiling with a passport and ready to go. So, no Indian time, try to be as early as possible. Mastering the security check. This is a special formula. You need to know that breast milk and baby food are exempt from liquid limits. Yes. So there's a small exemption that makes life easier, so don't stress about it. But they do require, on some occasions, extra screening of the baby food and milk. So that is that balance. And use a baby carrier instead of a stroller for a smoother process when going through security. Number 3, pack a well-organized diaper bag. Make sure you have diapers, wipes, a change of clothes for you and the baby because the baby might get you dirty as well. You also want to have lots of snacks and small toys. Keep the essentials in easy-to-reach pockets. Number 4, use family-friendly security and boarding. Yes, there's a family line, and if there's not a family line, make a family line, because that's what I have done in many countries by simply showing them baby and going, "Hey, por favor, ¿por qué?" And most security guards or local staff, they are quite compassionate and accommodating, and they will help you jump the line to move things along faster because they want parents to be happy, and especially babies. So remember that many airports have family lanes for security and offer early boarding for parents with small children. Take advantage of these perks. Also, you want to feed during takeoff and landing. Babies' ears are sensitive to pressure changes. So breastfeeding or bottle feeding or using a pacifier helps relieve the discomfort by stimulating the jaw muscles and some other scientific terms which I'm not going to go into, but pretty much breastfeeding, bottle feeding, pacifier will help ease the ear pressure. The next thing is you want to gate check your stroller and car seat. And this specifically applies to the European market because most airlines let you check these for free at the gate. Consider a lightweight, foldable stroller for easy navigation when possible. When it comes to the US, you have to remember that a child over 2 to the age of 4 requires their own seat, and that's why you will have to carry a car seat with you to accommodate them while they are booked into a seat. Number 7, you want to book an aisle seat or bulkhead rows. So focus on the more legroom and easy access to the aisle for diaper changes or soothing a fussy baby. Some airlines even offer baby bassinets, so request them early. And if you've seen the previous video where I recommended the baby-friendly airlines, these airlines are much more accommodating to children, and also There is a link in the comment below and in the video description for the free ebook, which has all of this information so you can print it out and take it with you for your holidays. So you have easy access to me, all the information, whatever you desire, it is available. Number 8, wear your baby for hands-free travel. Yes, I don't know why I'm speaking like an Italian with my hands, but if the baby is here on the chest in a baby carrier, life is so much easier. So yes, a baby carrier makes things a lot easier when you go through security, board the plane and move around without juggling a stroller. And your child enjoys the body heat and being so close to you, so it is a win-win situation. Number 9, know your airline's baby policies. Some airlines offer LEP infant tickets for free and some for small fee. Some airlines also allow extra baggage for baby essentials or provide onboard bassinets. Get familiarized with the airline policy that you're traveling with. Otherwise, use some of the airlines I have recommended in part 1, and it's also inside the ebook, which you can download from the link below. Number 10, bring a travel-friendly car seat. If your baby has their own seat, bring a FAA-approved car seat that keeps them secure and comfortable during the flight. Number 11, have a diaper change strategy. Airplane bathrooms are not my favorite space. I'm a tall guy and I'm just lucky I do yoga to help navigate into these lavatories, and changing a diaper in there can be quite challenging.
Are you serious?
As airplane bathrooms have tiny changing tables, so pack disposable changing pads and Ziploc bags for dirty diapers. Change your baby right before boarding to minimize mid-flight changes. This is my favorite strategy because if I can avoid changing the diaper on the plane, that was considered a win. Number 12, for toddlers, download kid-friendly apps and entertainment. For older babies, it is essential to download baby-friendly music, sensory videos, interactive apps, or simple apps to keep them occupied. And you need that diversity as well, because one app on a 12-hour flight or a 6-hour flight is not going to cut it. You need diversity to help them engage and be entertained. You should always plan for delays and layovers. So pack extra diapers, milk, formulas, and snacks in case of the delays. And that is not just for your child, also for you. And if you have a long layover, look for family lounges or play areas in the airport. Number 14, dress your baby in layers and also yourself. The airports and airplanes can be either too hot or too cold. So dress your baby in layers for quick adjustments. And also remember that the heat perception of a child is much different to an adult. So in some cases, there might be overheating while you're feeling cold. So take that into effect when you are layering the child or changing their clothes. And number 15, stay calm and ask for help when needed. Airport staff are usually willing to help families first, whether it's priority boarding, extra seating space, or assistance with luggage. Don't hesitate to ask. If you like the tips in this video, be sure to check part 3, where I'm going to share in-flight strategies to make your flight easier. Till then, hit like, hit subscribe, and hit on the notifications so you don't miss the next video. And also don't forget the downloadable link for the ebook with all of this information from parts 1 to 4 is available in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.